Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. P67th birthday, Papa. Even though we're far apart, I want to let you know how much I appreciate everything you've done for me. From high school graduation to my board exams and even my birthday ceremony. You've always been there. Those memories mean
Nasaan may tuwang pangarap ko, makuha mo pa kaya akong nagkahaghati.
Sending lots of love from afar. Remember
Hanggang pagtanda natin, nagtatanong lang sa'yo, ako ba kaya'y ibigin mo?
Mabawi pa ako sa ito.
Kung maputi
Sending love from Australia to you, Papa.
buko.
Another message po. Love. Happy 67th birthday, my love.
Pagdating ng
Even
araw,
though we're apart,
ang iyong
even
buhok
though we're apart,
ay
my heart is always
puti
with
na
you.
rin.
Everything I do is for
Sabay
you.
tayong
I
mga
love you more
ngarap
than words
ng
can say.
nakaraang sa akin.
Mama.
Ang nakalipas
Happy birthday po!
ay babalik na.
Tapos ito yung message.
Papaalala ko sa'yo ang aking pangako ng pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi na ang buko.
Gusto mo ngayon po para ma-attract.
So, pwede po magbaro na ako? Medyo...
Ang nakalipas ay babalik na rin.
Tabi yan ako.
Papaalala
Picture po.
ko sa'yo ang aking pangako ng pag-ibig ko'y laging sa'yo. Kahit maputi
Picture na po yan.
Picture po.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Sige po.
God bless you.
Ano po message nyo sa nagpadala?
I heard you're feeling nothing's going right. Why don't you let me
Pagpalakas daw ikaw.
ride?
Palababawi pa